everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. I'm back again with another haul, this time from Homegoods, Pier 1, and Target, and Gallerie. So let's get started. The first item I got is this set of candles, and there are 5 candles in here. They are the kind that have a remote, so they are flameless candles. And I actually have a set of wrought iron candlesticks that I bought from Pier 1 many years ago, and I have 5 of them. And I had another set for the holiday time that has some sparkles on it, but I don't like to use them during the rest of the year. And there were only 4 in that set, there weren't 5, but this set has 5, so it's perfect for those candles. And I actually like to use these rather than real candles in them because they're a little bit top heavy. And so I figured if I put the flameless candles in there, then that will work well. Plus it's much safer, and then I can set them to come on and create ambiance. So this set was a little bit more than I would normally pay. It was $29.99, but I think that's a pretty good price for them. Like I said, they do have the remote, so I will try them out and let you know how it goes. They also have these wicks. I don't know if you can see it here. It says that it's a fiber optic wick, so it looks like it's burning. It doesn't have the fake flame, but it does create kind of a burning ember look when it burns. So when I light them, I will let you know how it goes. And then the next thing I got, I actually can't show you because this is a present. But I got one other thing from Homegoods. Those were from Homegoods. And this is also from Homegoods. I think I'm going to be using this by my fireplace in my family room to put some long branches in. There's an area by the fireplace that looks a little bare, and I really like the look of this. And it's kind of a tan speckled pottery with then some cream colored glaze. It looks like it's been hand thrown. It says it was made in China, and it was $24.99. So when I decorate the mantle, I will show you this along with the lanterns that I had in my haul video, my prior haul video. So there's this. And that's it for Homegoods. Then I went to the after Easter clearance sale at Pier 1, and I ended up getting some more of these little jumping bunny napkin rings. I just love these, and I was a little sad I had decided not to get 12 of them, but they were on sale after Easter, and I think I got them for like 99 cents. So I bought 6 before, I bought 6 more so I could have 12 of them if I wanted to do all jumping bunnies at my table in the future. And then they also had these coasters on sale, and these were also, I think, 75% off. Bunnies were 75% off. And so these sort of go with some china that I have, and I thought I would get them to put on the table for glasses if I decide not to use a tablecloth and table pad. So I got 12 of these as well, because my table will seat 12 people, so I wanted to have enough for every place sitting. So that's Pier 1. And then I did get some things from Gallerie. These were 70% off. And so this box was originally $30, and so it was 70% off, so I got it on sale for $9. And it has this little ribbon on here, but this is kind of a purpley color. And I may may give this as a gift. And the other item I got to go with it was also on clearance. And it's a little tray. Sorry, I should have opened these beforehand so it didn't make a noise. But it is also kind of an amethyst color. And this had also been $30, so I got it for $9. It's like a jewelry tray or perfume tray with gold around the outside, kind of a foamy material on the bottom so it won't scratch your furniture, and then this enamel purple amethyst interior. And this is metal. This is obviously a mirrored glass on this one with this applique gem on there, and it has little feet on the bottom. It doesn't have the foamy bottom the other one does, and it's lined in a black velvet. So I have a couple more things. These are from Target, and these are more along the lines of organizational items. So when I went to Target about a week ago, they were having these collapsible storage bins on sale for $4. Normally they're a little more than that, but they were $4. And I decided I was going to get these to use in the linen cabinet I made over in a recent closet challenge, which I can link below and at the end of this video in case you want to see it. But I decided that I wanted to be able to organize the shelves a little better because they are very deep. And these I think will fit in the upper part of the cabinet. So I'm hoping I can put some of my seasonal decor in here that I don't store out in bins in the garage. So I have some little items that don't fit in my existing bins. And I figured out that I can, if I lower the shelf down a little bit, I can fit 6 of these bins on the top shelf in that cabinet. And that way seasonal items are more out of the way, but they're organized. So I can make something for spring, I can make something for fall, I can make something for summer holidays. That way I can have them each in a separate bin that I can just pull out rather than just shoving them into the closet. And so that I'll know what's in each bin, I did go ahead and get these clip-on labels. I don't remember how much these were. I think they were a little bit more. They might have been like $5.99 or $6.99, but I got enough of these clip-on labels so that it would fit on all 6 of the bins. So they just go on the front, and you can write on them, and they are I think they're whiteboard, so you can actually wipe them off and reuse them. So it's not paper, so you don't have to worry about always changing the paper out if you change your mind about what you want in the bin. So that's it for the haul, and we'll close out the video. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this haul video. If this is the sort of video you like and you're not already a subscriber to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the link down below. And also hitting the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I do hauls such as this one. I also do home decorating and home organizing videos, as well as some home improvement DIY type videos. I will post some links to some of my videos down below that have videos on all of those different topics. And I hope you'll consider subscribing, as I said. Thanks for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.